New at 6, the defense team for the accused FSU shooter, Phoenix Ikner, tried to remove the judge, Neff, from this trial. In the motion filed this morning, they said the judge couldn't be fair based on what he said at a hearing last week. The judge then pointed to video evidence of the trial and questioned the team's need to interview so many witnesses. Just a few hours after that motion was filed this morning, Judge Neff denied it. Ikner is accused of killing 2 men and shooting several other people at FSU.